Hello, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Melanie.
I'm Grayson.
Today we're making
Breakfast burritos.
So first, you're gonna
Take our sausage and then we're gonna put it in. Then we're gonna take our peppers and also put it in. Then we're gonna take only a few, you don't need all of these, tater tots and throw them in there. Make sure our heat's up enough. Then we're gonna take an egg, throw our egg in there. Now mix.
Once everything is mixed together, you're gonna add some cheese, and then we're gonna assemble our burrito. All right, now we're gonna add all of our good stuff into our tortilla. And then assemble. Now that we have our burrito assembled, we're gonna place it on the flat top for about 2 minutes or until golden brown.
Breakfast burrito will be available in the bistro and cafe Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Enjoy!